Okay, let's get started. My name is Carlo. I am the Chief Operations Officer at Zakeke. And first of all, I'd like to welcome everyone to be here and thank you for being. And today I'll drive you through Zakeke to show you the tools, capabilities, and how Zakeke can help you improve sales at your website. We will have an high-level demo, and then after that, a Q&A session. Okay, Zakeke was founded in 2016 in Italy. We are 22 people now. We have around 15,000 happy customers in all over the world. We cover now more than 50 countries. Zakeke is a visual product customizer that we offer as a service. It's a cloud-based service, so you just need to integrate it with your website, and once you integrate it, you create your customizable product, and you are good to go. No coding, no server cost, no maintenance. Everything is on us, and you don't have to worry about anything. We provide you the service, and we update it every month. You integrate it with a plugin. By a plugin, we offer plugins for the most important e-commerce platforms in the world, like Magento, WooCommerce, Shopify, PrestaShop, BigCommerce, Commerce Cloud, and NetSuite Suite Commerce. By the end of the year, we will be releasing new integrations, including OpenCart, Wix, SAP Hybris, Squarespace, and marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. What we do, it's a one platform that covers many options. Zakeke was designed and developed to cover the full spectrum of the personalization industry, from the web to print industry to configurable products. So you can use Zakeke to allow users to personalize product by adding images and text on the product surface, or you can even use Zakeke to sell product that your customers can build according to their tastes and needs. I'll show you now an example for the web to print industry with a mag. You see we are now on a store where Zakeke is integrated, is installed. I am still on the store, but if I click on customize, that is the magic button, and Zakeke get started. So I'm able here to see a user interface to personalize with the tools to personalize the product. So I can add a text, move it in the print area that I define in the back office. I can offer galleries with clip arts and images where customers can even change the color. And I can allow customers to upload images from their devices. One of the most important features in Zakeke is that you can show a 3D preview of the product. So you can give your customers a real feeling of the product. So you see here a mag, and I can see it in 3D. As I said at the beginning, you can use Zakeke for any product, any customizable product. And I'll show you now. We saw it on a mag. Now you can see it on a t-shirt, for example. Here I can have a t-shirt where I have two views of the same t-shirt, front and back. I can have as many sides as I want for a product, and I can define dedicated a specific print area on each side. I can set variations so customers can easily switch between the colors and the other variations of the product. And still, I can personalize with a cool text. Can add stroke. Change font. I can even allow customers to offer customers pre-designed templates. So if I don't want them to start from scratch, I can create pre-designed template where each element of the design has its own rules. So in this case, I am only allowed to change the text where I see your name. So I can change the color, but I'm trying now to click on the mascot and on the Jaguars, but I cannot edit those texts. I can give my customers the possibility to create collages, layout collages. So or even advanced editing tools for the images. So for example, I upload an image and I can apply a filter on it. You see? Or I can force customers to convert multicolor images in a single color image. So just one second. Like here. Okay. So I remove the background from the image, and then I can convert the image to a single color logo. Okay. Nicola vede le slide. Ah, infatti stavano. Ah, we can see. Ah, non. Okay, I'm sorry. Just realized that you were seeing the slide. So let's get back to the demo. I make it a new one. I was showing a Mac. Adesso le vede? So where was I can add text, change the text, upload images. Lo vede? Vai a vedere di là. Offer galleries with clip arts where customers can change the colors. And one of the most important features in Zakeke, you can show a 3D preview of the product. So as you can see here, I can give my customers a real feeling of the customized Mac. Now, as I said, you can use Zakeke to let your customers personalize any product. So, well, let's see an example with a t-shirt. Here I can, ma si vede lo schermo? Sì. Okay. I can set a t-shirt with different views, front and back. I can have as many as sides I want for a product, and I can define a dedicated print area on each side, and again, able to add cool text, add stroke, change it. Or I can have customers to work on a pre-designed template. So if I don't want them to start from scratch with the design, I can offer them a pre-designed template where each element of the template, images or text, have their own rules. So in this case, I'm only allowed to change the name here and the color, the font, and that's it. I cannot do anything on the other parts of the design. I can offer them advanced editing tools for the images, like they upload an image and they can add a filter on the image. You see? Or I can force them to recolor a logo, a multicolor logo artwork to a single color artwork. I am uploading the Zakeke logo. You see, the software is able to detect the background, automatically detect the background, and now is forcing me to choose a color to recolor the logo. You see? Now when I'm done, I can add the product to cart. Here I set a multi bulk variation form, so users can order more than one product, one item per variation. And you see I have the price that updates, and I add it to cart. When I add it to cart, I'm getting back to the store. The cart and the checkout are still managed by the store. And you know, this is the same experience they have with the store, but I'm still able to go back to the store, to the designer, sorry, to edit the design if I'm not happy. And when I save it again, I go back to the cart, and once I check out, when I check out, what Zakeke does is to generate print-ready files in PDF, PNG, SVG, and DXF, and you can go to production with those files. As I said at the beginning, Zakeke can be used also for products that need to be built by your customers. So they can choose different parts of the product. This is an example with a bag where I can have them to start from a template, you see, or I can allow them to go step by step and change the color, the material of the single part of the product. I have loops here, then the handle, then the front. As you can see, we have a very high performance with very high level of details. I can have a dynamic price. This is the base price of the product, and I can set for each option a separate price, and the price updates as I choose the options. So here I set that the black leather has higher price than the other leather, and you see I have the price that updates based on my choice, and it decreases if I choose another leather type. And still, even with the configurator, I can allow them to add a text or image to the product in a given position. When I add it to cart, I see the list of the options, and that list is passed to the store. You can even connect Zakeke with your ERP, so you can go straight to production after you receive the order. And now you have the bag, but you can make it with shoes. You see the camera goes on the right piece of the shoes as I choose here. Zakeke has a very powerful 3D engine, so everything is managed inside Zakeke. When you upload the 3D camera, lights, shading, everything is managed inside Zakeke. Or watches. Everything that you see here on the user interface can be customized both for the graphics, so you can make it as you want, the layout, and even for the user experience. So I am now free to move between attributes and options, but if you want, you can force customer to follow a step-by-step configuration. Now, for both the tools, we also give you the possibility to offer the augmented reality to your customers. So they can use Zakeke to see the product they are customizing in the real world. It means that you activate the augmented reality in the back office. They see the augmented reality button here when they are on the mobile. They click it, and with their mobiles, they can see the product in the real world. I am on a desktop, but I prepared a video for you. So this is the chair. I am on Zakeke now. I'm choosing the fabric. I can move it around. And now you see, I can see it in my office. And I am able to move the chair in the office. Then this is an example with a lamp. I can choose the color. I change the color, and then I can see the lamp on my desk. The augmented reality works with both iPhone and Android. And as you can see from this video, customers don't need to install anything. Everything is already included in Zakeke, so the user experience is very fluid. They are not required to make anything to make the augmented reality to work. Now, this is a high-level demo of Zakeke. I presented the main features of the tool, and I am now happy to see your questions and go through them and give you answers to your questions. Okay, just 1 second. Sorry, many of the questions are you were not able to see the the presentation, the screen. Paolo, can I add my own products to customize? For example, a rock slate? Yes, absolutely. There is no preloaded products in Zakeke. Zakeke was designed to work with your own products. So what you do is you connect Zakeke with your store, and once you connect it, you can see the list of the product in your store, and you can pick one of them or more than one and go through a step-by-step configuration wizard. And once you are done, your product is customizable via Zakeke. How much Zakeke costs and how difficult it is to integrate it? It's very easy to integrate because, as I said at the beginning, you just need to install a plugin. You can download the plugin from the marketplaces, of your e-commerce platform, and it's a few clicks of integration you need just to create the account with us. How much does it cost? Zakeke starts from around $10 per month up to $199 per month for the configurator, plus 1.9 transaction fee on sold items via Zakeke. You can even go with 1-year plans, and you enjoy 30% of discount. Do you have a library? Both. You can create a library of images. We can provide you library of images. You also have access to a library of millions of professional photos that we call premium photos, or you can allow your customers to upload their own pictures. Of course, you can decide to disable the tool that you don't need. So maybe you can just enable the upload and you don't offer a library of images, or you disable the upload and you offer the library of the images. Sean, in terms of selling your product in South Africa, what are the delivery lead times, and can I set the price in ZAR as a currency? Well, we do not make any production. We just offer you the customization software. Production is on you. The augmented, Dominic, no, the augmented reality is not extra charged, is included in the, as an option for the 3D. What fonts are available in the app? We have a set, Jonathan, we have a set of fonts that you can also disable, and then you can upload your own fonts. Yes, Google fonts are supported. Navid is asking what is the best platform for Zakeke. Well, as a SaaS, as an external platform, you know, the experience, the way Zakeke works is the same on every e-commerce platform. So choose the e-commerce platform based on your needs. As Zakeke is guarantees you the same experience with any platform. Sasha, as I said at the beginning, Squarespace is not a supported plugin yet, a supported e-commerce platform yet, but we are going to release an integration with Squarespace by the end of the year. PD, regarding, yes, the fonts for the embroidery with Welcome, nice question, because one of the future improvements for the next months is an integration with Welcome. So you will be able to use the fonts that you build in Welcome, even in Zakeke. Ingrid, can I do it for a products as a balloons? Yes, absolutely yes. You just choose the tool that fits you better based on the customization that you want to offer. You go with the customizer if the personalization on the balloon is about applying a design, an image on the balloon, or you go with the configurator if your customers can create, you know, can choose more than one balloon colors and put them together, then the configurator is the best choice for you. Jeremy, manage prices outside Zakeke just means that you can decide to set the price of the product on the store, and that's it. Zakeke, then the cart, the customer is going to see the price of the product. Zakeke gives you one more option, that is that you can have markup prices inside Zakeke with very complex rules. So based on the customization that your customers is going to do, you can add a markup price to the base price of the product that you set in WooCommerce. So you can set prices based on the number of the colors used, the number of the letters used, quantity. You can set a property and then range of prices for that property. David, the transaction fee is on the price of the item and is calculated only when you have the checkout. So only when you actually sell the item, and you are billed once per month at the end of the month. Dominic, Dominic is asking if you can upload the PDF, you can allow PDF upload. Yes, there is a specific add-ons in Zakeke that allows allow your customers to upload PDF and DPS, and in the near features even AI files, Illustrator files. Yes, we do provide support to create 3D objects. We have people in the company that works only on this. So if you don't have a 3D model of your product, we can provide it as an extra service to you. Yes, Sasha, you can switch from monthly to annually anytime. Gustavo, no. As I said before, the fee is applied only if the user is checkouts. So if there is no checkout, there is no fee. Maria, our support is from Monday to Friday for the standard issues, and then over the weekends only for urgent matters. Just 1 second. I'm going through the some of the questions are already replied. Yes, Sasha. Sasha is asking if when customers design, then the design come come over in print ready files. Absolutely yes. This is one of the main features in Zakeke. When you receive the order, what Zakeke does is to generate print-ready files based on the print area that you set in the back office and based on the DPI that you require. So we provide you with the print-ready files in 4 formats: PNG, PDF, DXF, that is a CAD file, and SVG. So the SVG is a vector, and you can even edit it. Someone is from agencies, web agencies, and is asking if we have a partner program. Yes, we have a partner program, and we work very closely with web agencies. I suggest to visit our website, www.zakeke.com, and you see information about the partner program there, but you can even write us, and we will give you more information. Yes, Dion, we offer a service to get you to make everything on your behalf, including the 3D models. And once we finish, you are good to go. You just go live. Sean, no, Zakeke has no catalog of products. We just offer you the softwares. You can use it with products from a drop shipper. Absolutely, yes. And we also offer integration with several drop shipping companies like Printful, Custom Cut, Envision. And very soon we are going to release an integration with Printify. So it works that you take the product from the catalog, you make it, you sell it via Zakeke, so it is customizable via Zakeke, and then the print-on-demand company receives the order and send it to your customer. Okay, someone is asking for an email to send more questions. You can send here, help@zakeke.com. Yes, Torsten, if you use the API to integrate with Zakeke, you can access all the customization, all the design. It's the same as the plugin, but you go with a custom integration. Hey, Jeremy, yes, we are working on enabling the color detection with PDF and EPS as well. Dominic asks if you can choose what print-ready file to receive instead of receiving all of them. Yes, absolutely. You can decide to get only one of them in the format that you need. Jeremy is asking our plans to integrate with multi-vendor marketplace. This is on our roadmap. It will be after the new integration, and basically it will allow you to integrate third-party services like Docan to create marketplaces for where artists or people can design a product and make it for sale on your website. Someone is asking if there is a limit on how many times the 3D configurator can be displayed, like views months. Absolutely not. There is any limit, and your customers can initialize the customizer and the 3D configurator as many time as they want. Navid, you can upload the product image in all the standard format for image, JPEG, PNG. IID, yes, we provide a full knowledge base that you can find from our website and from the back office of Zakeke, and we also offer video tutorials. And yes, we have a video tutorial to on how to create a customizable product. Can you force customer to register before using Zakeke? Navid, this is you can make it on your website. So if your website has an account system, Zakeke is accessible only from by the customers that are registered at your website. Howie, yes, I'm reading your question, and I guess I replied it, but you are asking to show up the backend of Shopify for printing and fulfillment purposes. Zakeke doesn't cover the part of the printing and the fulfillment purposes. So the Shopify backend is the same that you have with a standard Shopify store. Anyway, I suggest you to take the free trial. You have 14 days and you have a fully featured version of Zakeke, and you can test everything. Okay, I think we are done. Last question. Manny, as I said, you can get the tutorials of Zakeke from our knowledge base. I show you here. No. We have here at zakeke.zendesk.com, you have a knowledge base of Zakeke, and for several articles and guides, you also have a video. In this case, I am seeing the create a customizable product, and you see I have a video tutorial. Can you get a bill of material when a customer is using the 3D configurator? So basically the components that will make up the configurated product? Yes, absolutely yes. As I show in the here, when you make a selection inside the configurator, then you see in the cart, you see all the parts, all the options, and of course you can see all the options in the back office in the order. And as I said, you can even connect Zakeke with your ERP and have those options automatically pushed to your IRP. Bradley, can you set up Zakeke to do team order and they can pick multiple sizes before ordering? This is a feature that we are working on. We call it name and numbers. I say it again, we release an updated version of Zakeke once per month. So, and we release the new features and the new improvements every 30 days. Bradley, I think it should be around October, November. Many write us. Maybe there is some issues with the images. I'm sure we can have the issue fixed. Okay. Do you have a video now to set up the product dashboard? Yes, as I said, you have a video here on our knowledge base, zakeke.zendesk.com, and you have a video on how to create a customizable product. Anyway, for any question, you can write to help@zakeke.com. We are very happy to reply, and we are very responsive. So don't hesitate to write to us. Okay, I think we are done. I don't see any new question. People is saying thank you. I thank you. Say thanks to all of you. We are going to send you a recording of this webinar. I'm still sorry for the issue we had at the beginning. Hope you liked it. And as I said, write to us or just get started by creating your sign up, your account from the Zakeke website. We offer 14 days free trial on all plans. See you and bye-bye.